a local in Mulyorejo Selatan Baru, Surabaya, started a White-Rumped Shama bird and Conure bird farming business amid the pandemic. He's earned tens of million rupiah in revenue. The 30-year-old man confessed that the orders increased, especially among birds enthusiasts. Despite running the business for only 6 months, Arianto has bagged 15 million revenues in a month. He is also cautious to take care of his bird feeds, cages, and health to maintain their qualities. Arianto also planned to add the number of birds following the growing orders for both species.
Awalnya sih hobi burung, suka kicaunya, kicau mania. Dari mulai itu sendiri, terus awalnya iseng-iseng ternak itu 4 kandang 6 bulan kemarin tuh. Terus akhirnya sekarang jadi nambah jadi 9, ini mau nambah lagi ya. Alhamdulillah dari kondisi seperti ini bisa menambah perekonomian di pribadi lah mas.
Meanwhile, bird enthusiasts are interested to buy from Arianto's business due to the bird's good qualities and affordable prices. These buyers did not only came from Surabaya, but outside the city as well.
Kalau menurut saya burungnya bagus-bagus sih, kalau masalah harga ya standar lah.
The White-Rumped Shama bird is sold for 1 million rupiah to 2 million rupiah, while the Conure bird is sold for 2,500,000 rupiah to 3 million rupiah. C2D contributor reporting from Surabaya is Java.